Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of gadgets and gear to bring you the most insightful reviews. Today, we're unveiling what many consider the best Nikon 14 to 30mm f4S lens available in the market. The Nikon NIKKOR Z 14 to 30mm f4S lens is not just any lens. It's a masterpiece crafted to perfection, designed specifically for Z-series mirrorless cameras. With its ultra-wide-angle capability and constant aperture, it's the ideal companion for capturing breathtaking landscapes, architectural marvels, and dynamic videography. Let's talk about what sets this lens apart. Firstly, its compact design. Despite its wide-angle prowess, the lens boasts a sleek and portable form factor, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. Secondly, the fixed f4 aperture ensures consistent exposure throughout the zoom range, giving you unparalleled control over your shots. Whether you're shooting in low light or bright daylight, this lens delivers outstanding image quality every time. And let's not forget about the retractable lens mechanism, which collapses the lens down to a mere 3.5 inches for easy and safe packing. It's a game-changer for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Now, let's talk about autofocus. Thanks to Nikon's stepping motor (STM) technology, autofocus is smooth, fast, and virtually silent. Whether you're shooting stills or video, you can trust this lens to capture every moment with precision. In conclusion, the Nikon NIKKOR Z 14 to 30mm f4S lens is a must-have for any photographer or videographer looking to elevate their craft. With its exceptional build quality, advanced features, and unmatched performance, it's no wonder why it's considered the best in its class. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest gear. Until next time, happy shooting!